See, everything out here is covered in a layer of ice. We've had a lot of issues, like everybody does, with our chicken water freezing over. We've had this now for a couple weeks, and it is working great. And it's been down to in the single digits in the daytime several days. The water is pretty cold, but it's not freezing. It's near freezing, but this heater has done well to de-ice it. And so I definitely recommend it. I've tried out a couple of other ones, and the great thing about this one is that this one has pretty heavy duty cable on it. I ended up buying a cover, and so the cover, I definitely recommend that you get one of these covers. This is going to make sure that the water's going to stay out of the connection between the two extension cords, and it also keeps the chickens from possibly pecking at it. I'm still taking this in at nighttime and putting it in the shop, in the workshop, and I'm putting the de-icer away at night here in the shed as well. So I have this on a switch. That way when I'm done with it, I can just turn it off, turn it back on. This switch is not waterproof though, so it's inside the shed here where it's not going to get any water on it. But at night I'll just turn it off. In the daytime, turn it on. It has the green light to show me that it's on. So here's the box for the water heater. This is the K&H Essentials, Farm Essentials, Universal Heated Water De-Icer. It's 15.5 inches in diameter. It has a 5.5 foot cord from the base to the end. It's 80 watts, operates at 80 watts. You can use it with metal poultry waters, you can use it with plastic poultry waters, buckets, pails, dog bowls, all that good stuff. Has a 2-year limited warranty. I actually have not looked up the warranty. I don't know, there's nothing on here about the warranty. I'm sure there's paperwork inside, haven't looked it up yet. Hopefully won't need it. You can find these on Amazon, which is where I picked this one up at, or you can get it, you know, I'm not sure if it's the exact same brand, but you can get the same thing on Tractor Supply's website as well. And I will leave links in the description to Amazon and to Tractor Supply for this particular one. It's just been working great, and we've had multiple days where it's been single digits and even a little bit into the negative with wind chill since I've had this, and it's worked really well ever since then. It's thermostatically controlled. Everything is inside of the mold. The element is inside the mold, and so there's no way that there can be moisture getting to the element and messing up the element. I just think it's really great. It works out well for us. There are other options for how a person could try to at least make an attempt to keep the water from freezing. I'll leave a couple of links in this video to some folks that have some good ideas, but ultimately this electric option has worked out really well for us and our situation. You just got to make sure, no matter if you're using this method or a different method, you just got to keep checking on your livestock. Please don't let them be left alone out there for hours on end without ever being checked on in the summertime or the wintertime. But in the wintertime, don't rely on these to keep your water from freezing. Just let this be kind of your insurance, hoping that it's going to work out. But it's on you and it's on me to make sure that our livestock are taken care of, isn't it? Well, I'm preaching to the choir, I'm sure of that, but just thought I'd throw that out there. Well, that's going to be it for this video. Nothing more to say about it, really. I guess it's pretty self-explanatory, but I do want you to know that I've tried this out, tested it out, and it's worked great. And there are hundreds, probably even thousands of reviews out there to say likewise. You always have a person here or there that is going to put this through something that's not meant to be put through, or like saying, well, I put it outside at negative 30 degrees Fahrenheit and it didn't work. Well, no, of course it didn't. Or you might get a dud and then somebody complains about the dud. But ultimately, there are a lot of great reviews, and I'm just going to add my voice to that and say that this thing works great. I'll let you know in the future if I think otherwise, but as of right now in this video, works great. So until next time, hope you guys have a good night, a good day, good morning, whatever time of the day is, and I'll see you soon.